Anyway, it's a couple days later now since I got the engine took out. It's a 1938 471 Detroit diesel. I gutted a lot of it already. I took the blower off, it's sitting over there. Took the manifold off, valve cover rotted, unfortunately. This before was called a Detroit diesel. This is the General Motors diesel. Inspection panels are off, injectors are out. Stuff like that. Heat exchanger sitting right there. It's a gray marine heat exchanger. And there's the plate for the bell housing for bell drive. Let's see what she looks like inside. There's a difference, ain't it? If you remember before, go watch some of my videos where with the engine inside of her. She's right smart full of water. It's rained a lot. Anyway, done some work at the wheelhouse. Still got to put a new roof on her. Bit warm today. Don't feel too bad though. Put some gauges in there right there. I got a gauge switch panel is going to go right there for the oil pressure and hydraulic pressure, voltmeter, and temperature. I got a temperature gauge right here and a voltmeter right there. You know, why not? But what I'm going to do is put a board right there, come all the way to here, off of here, make another step down, I'm going to come level with that door. And then this side's going to do the same thing. It's going to come right across here, like a 2x6 or 2x8, probably 2x6. But right in like the way she would be, put new engine beds in her because she's getting a Perkins, as you've seen. It was going to go in her. I have a video of her running. That's what she's going to get in her, and it's way smaller than the 471 Detroit. Had a little mishap when she fell through the floor there. Gotta patch that. I still have yet to get the transom put back on there, but she'll come along when I get to it. Oh yeah, and I gotta finish putting the rail and patch the waist up for this year. Next year I'll put a new waist on her. This is a switch panel I made for the boat. This is oil pressure, hydraulic pressure is gonna go here. The gauge will be here today. Voltmeter, temperature. This is your cutoff for the engine. Starter switch is going to go up here, and there's going to be a light switch in there. And there's going to be a little light bulb coming out to show you the power's on. There's going to be a light switch run off to the side there to power it up the batteries and electronics and stuff. Here's the engine right here. Perkins 84-203. Transmission, a 191 to 1 velvet drive. 191 to 1 being the ratio. Here's the old flex plate coupler there. We'll have this cut off, take it to the machine shop, have him weld that, or press it, or whatever he wants to do to get on the flex plate for the Perkins. Perkins has a different spline. But that'll be for a whole separate video. This right here is the ending of this video, and you can check out some other videos if you haven't watched them already. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it.